Assalamu alaikum students of class 4, 5 and 6. So today it is your 6th lecture regarding our collaborated curriculum, and now we are heading towards mature lectures, and this time we are going to have some concepts understanding regarding word problem. Word problem are always considered as a difficult part of mathematics, but they are not like that difficult. If we manage our concepts, if we build up our concepts regarding the understanding of word problem, then we can easily move forward. So in this lecture we will proceed with 3 operations. Number 1, multiplication, addition, and the last as subtraction. So we'll deal with the word problems regarding these 3 operations. Now as you can see into the slide, that there are particular terms which I have tried to mention, so that you can easily trace out that what operation you are supposed to do in particular question. For example, if you see the word add, if you see the word together, if you see the word total, or if you see the word join, all these words are meant to solve the addition operations. Similarly, if you find the term like difference, for example, find the difference of, or take away, or subtraction, then all these concepts, all these terms are related to the operation of subtraction, which we say minus. So similarly, in this pattern, if you see the word product of, multiplication of, so if you see these type of words, then you are supposed to perform the multiplication operation. Similarly, if you see the word like division, distribution, so these words are belonging to the division operation. So here you are with exercises, pages from your book. So these pages, as usual, as per our format, have sent to the WhatsApp group, so that you can check them out, so that you can solve the questions at your home. Now we will move forward to the solution of particular question. Starting with the subtraction part, there is a question given which is asking us as find the difference between largest 4-digit and smallest 6-digit number. So as I told you at the start of this lecture, that there are particular vocabulary, particular terms that help us to identify the operation that is supposed to be done. Here we are asked to find the difference. Find the difference mean we need to operate the subtraction wala operation. Is that clear? Now second concept in this question is they are asking us to find the difference between largest 4-digit number. We know what is the largest 4-digit number, and the smallest 6-digit number. So we already knew that the smallest 6-digit number is 100,000, that is 1 lakh, or the largest 4-digit number is 9,999. So as we operate the difference, the subtraction portion, we can easily find out the answer, as you can see in your handouts. So now let's move forward to another operation, which is addition. The question is asking us that a factory made 64,750 jute bags on Monday and 51,060 more on Tuesday. So we are supposed to calculate all together. So as at the start of this lecture I told you that if you see the word together, that means we are asked to find out the addition, we are asked to find out the total. So we can easily add them up, the Monday wali production and the Tuesday wali production together, and then we can easily calculate the total production of the jute bags by that particular factory. And now here's the last concept for today's lecture, which is multiplication. So let's try to read the question very carefully. If one book of sticker contain 78 stickers, how many stickers will there be in 5 book? So we are told that there is a one book which has 78 stickers. So let's make an equation. One book is equal to 78 stickers. So 5 book would have how many stickers? So we can easily solve this out by putting 5 as a multiplication concept at the both side of the equation, so that we can keep the balance of the equation, because in equation both side has to kept equal. So 5 multiplied by 1 book is equal to 5 books, and 5 multiplied by 78 is equal to 390 stickers. That means 5 books would have 390 stickers. Okay students, so try to solve these questions at home. Allah Hafiz.